Hello, let me hope everyone is doing fine. Can I tell you something? Can you imagine? In the night, there was too much storm. Can you imagine? Babies were sleeping. We were also sleeping. It was really tough. Oh, there was too much thunder. Can you imagine? So, I did not know that children cannot also sleep when there is too much thunder. Children were awake, they were crying hard. Oh, no one slept. I got scared so much. Had to wake up in the night and I prayed Allah Jalawad. I prayed. It wasn't so easy. It was a tough night. Otherwise, let me hope you guys there, you're fine. We are also fine here. Yes, we are fine. Now going out. So, I had to dress up. But you can't imagine. This night was terribly bad. I got scared. It was really tough. It was tough, really tough. I got scared like I've never before. Oh. My baby is a crying doll. 24/7 is crying, but it's okay. It's fine. He's a baby. But what you should know, it was really too much rain. Naye all in all, kansubire muli bulungi, eno tekyabadde kyangu. Twabadde nga I've never found this. This was terribly tough. Kino tikibonangako. I've never seen it at all. Yeah, that's all. Have a good day. Bye.